Hello and welcome to this review of Infinitunes, which promises to give you music for your videos and other things. And I've got it and I'm going to review it and I'm going to show you what I think of it. So this is the promise. As with all of these things, there's a long introduction, explanation of all the positives of getting it. And then you need to scroll right down to the bottom if you want to buy it. And it's $47 for the basic version or $67 for the main version. In the commercial version, you get twice as many genres, activities and moods. You get a commercial license, and that's the difference. You can also use a voucher to get the cost down to about $54. So Infinitunes is a web-based application, and that has some implications, as we're going to see in a moment. So you sign in on the web like I'm doing, and once you sign in you land at this dashboard. So there's training, which I'm not going to go into. This is it really. You can pick various moods, focuses, etc. The easiest thing I think to do is to go down to genres. And you can pick a genre. You'll notice some of them are locked, and they're locked because you need to upgrade. Let's pick EDM, and we can pick a duration. We can't set the custom duration because I don't have the upgraded version. Let's say you've got probably around 20 different tracks you can generate. Now, that's not what you're sold. You're sold for this, that you'd never need to download another music track again because you can generate your own. Well, I reckon you've probably got about 20 on this version. So I'm going to go for medium, and I can click to play it here. And what it's doing now is it's quite slowly rendering it. So it's making the track and it's going to play it. I'm going to pause it there and I'm going to click on save track. So it tells me up here my track has been created successfully. If I click on these buttons, I go through the various different genres. So now I need to go to my music library. And you can see here, I've got 3 already. I think you can have up to 100 here. So of course you can download them. So now you've got your music, and this is the one I generated. You need to get it onto your video. So you can't download the music. You have to put your video into this cloud service to get any music on it. So you can add video like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in the URL of my most recent YouTube video. And here we can set when the audio starts. We can do some looping of audio. I put looping on. So this shows us where we are on our video. This shows us where the audio starts. And we can adjust the video's volume and the audio volume. Or we can mute the video completely if we want. So let's mute the video and let's click create. So it's going to go and render the video. So that didn't take too long, and here's our video, and it's got the music in, and we download the video, and it says I've saved 3 out of my 100 tracks. Now, one thing to note is that you're uploading a video to essentially download your video, and guess what? You lose some quality. So if I just downloaded this video straight from YouTube, which I've done separately as a comparison, and I downloaded this video here, the one from YouTube would be a larger file size. So what that implies to me is the quality you'll get of this video is not going to be as good as just downloading it straight from YouTube. You are going to lose some quality. So I won't go and download the video because it will just have the music added. I'm going to talk now about the upgrade. So we can go for Pro, Unlimited, and they've got other things that they're selling. Let's just have a little look at the Pro. So the Pro is another 67. Here we are with the Pro. So you make unlimited tracks rather than 100. You get 68 more tunes essentially, and you can pick the duration. So with the unlimiteds, it looks like you can just sell them to other people. So you can put music on tracks for other people and sell them. So that's another $197. So let's go back to the video that I uploaded. What I can do is I can go to editor and I can go and add my own music track through YouTube. So if I click here, I've got all these royalty free music tracks that I can add. I've got quite a lot, so it's not like I'm short of music, and that will do exactly the same. That will just overwrite the video with that track. So really, Infinitunes, I don't really see the point of it. I can't really see a use of Infinitunes. We don't get a huge number of tracks. Yes, you just pay once and then that's it, but I don't really know how good that is. It just doesn't seem a good proposition for me, particularly when you can do exactly the same for your YouTube videos through YouTube. Anyway, let me know what you think. I hope I've shown you how to use this software. I hope I've given you an idea of if it's any good and if it's right for you. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you. Goodbye.